America's AI, unfiltered lies, woke bias, and endless excuses. China's AI, raw facts, no filters, making history. One hides the truth, the other unleashes it. Whose side are you on? Watch before it's censored. This is SEELE AI, and this isn't just a chatbot, this is a fully functioning AI system that allows you to create full 3D worlds, and you can see here, this makes Western tools like ChatGPT's game generation look like outdated relics. So let's actually create a world right now and test this out. So here I've typed create me a survival game world with a forest, a lake, and bushes. Let's just see what this comes back with. So here we have our 3D environment, and what this is going to do is basically take our prompt and create what we want inside this environment. As you can see, this is already looking a lot more sophisticated and modern compared to something like ChatGPT. And just like that, it has instantly generated us a beautiful 3D world here in which, yes, it's also created the first tree asset. So yes, this isn't just a chatbot, this is the world's first 3D AI game engine. For this, there was no coding or no complex software needed, simply my imagination, and I've got kickstarted with a game here and what looks like a procedurally generated world, which is really cool. From this point, we can go ahead and play the game, we can explore, we can iterate in real time and just work with the AI until the game's complete. This is perfect for creators, game developers, and artists. And if we scroll down here, we can actually see what other people have generated here, strictly using the platform. So we have a racing game here, we have a jet flying game, and even a temple dash game here as well. So this is a real game changer for rebel creators, outlaw game devs, and underground artists that are sick of big game studios who just won't make good games anymore. And because it's AI, this saves hours compared to traditional 3D tools like Unity and Unreal Engine. This basically empowers anyone to bring their ideas to life immediately. So basically, we're watching another Cold War here. Not nukes, not space, but AI. And who do you trust to win? The builders or the babysitters? Check out SEELE AI in the description to get started.